Hello everyone, today is the first episode of our series QuickBooks. Today we'll learn about how to make a vendor. So when we are on the home screen, there's a plus button new on the left side. Then the second column is vendors and the last option is add vendor. Then in the vendor section we add the name, which can be the vendor display name also or any short name you want, and other details like email, phone number, mobile number, just like that, address if you want to add, whatever description you want to add about the vendor from whom you are purchasing any item or raw material or any services you are buying like freight, anything. Then there's this pay ACH. So there are two kind of ways in which in US you pay someone. Either it's through wire or either through its ACH. Just like here in India it is RTGS or NEFT. Then there's track payment for 1099. 1099 is a form where if a client is paying to someone who's not in employment more than $600 in a year, then you track 1099. The next is you choose an account. So mostly you will choose purchases, since it's a vendor, you are purchasing something from a vendor, just like your supplier is a vendor here. Then you'll save, try to make opening balance 0 unless you are sure about it, or you can make a new entry for opening balance and try to keep it 0 here and just save it. And that's it, guys, you have made a new vendor. That's how you have to make all the vendors, and that's it for today. Follow us for more.